Hello everyone, it's Diana, and sorry if I sound a little stupid right now, because I just woke up, so, yeah. Oh god. So, I don't know what I'll be doing as of right now. I'll just look at my favorites and just, boom. Yeah, I'm just gonna play that game. Ocean Man. Oh god, what the hell? What the hell is that? Uh, I have no clue what the hell I'm gonna be doing. So I guess I'll just gonna play the classic game. 2019. No, not, oh god, 2009. That's a long time. Ow, ow, oh. Okay. Oh, dear, okay, I have multiple questions what the hell that is. Okay, I'm just gonna go. I like this game better because it's actually kind of cool. You can do this. Can't do this in the other game. Well, you probably can. I think you can. That was easy. Just eel buster. That's easy. Might have to go to the other game because it's actually more challenging. Okay, cool. Thief? Oh no, Buster. Going up to get your thing beyond. I don't see the thief anywhere. I'm just gonna go to natural disasters. God dang it. Okay. I think I have to go to the other one. Just go to his profile and do the crap. I'm too lazy. God. Top secret, no. Okay, boom. 2014. Oh, I guess I wasn't. I'm sorry if I sound stupid right now. God, have I not turned down the volume? I have it like on one play. Clean. Okay. Boom. Stand. Now this is what sucks, cause you can't jump high enough. You could jump, like, you know, fast. What the hell? You can do it faster, but it's kind of really high, though. I guess this is. God damn it! Oh, it's solid. What is this? A power 5VI. I can't even. I don't know if this something just ran down, or I just got some weird vision. So I feel like there's something going on. Oh, watermelon. Watermelon? What? I don't think anyone here is awake right now. Oh. Oh, this is what it is. Boom. Got a coin. So, yeah. I have no clue what to do. Don't ask about my character. I'm still trying to figure out what the hell I won. Like a whack cat. Running around. He just defeat us. Ninjas. Okay, well. I don't see any ninjas right now. I don't think. Okay, I'm just gonna go play another game. No, I don't want to take a bar. What's that? Beep, bop, beep, bop, scap-a-da-bop, pop, pop. Animation still. Literally no. Cool. That's sadly. I'll just go to this game. It's called Piano. Way. I don't think it's been updated. Yes, not. Wait, it's been updated. It's stupid. Why is it Christmas update? It's still this. Oh God. Oh. Okay. We need a. Okay, I'm not. Put it up to here. Okay. I'm just gonna go vibe over this place. And. Oh, God. God, I hate this keyboard. That sucked. Oh God. Here. Ah, God dang it. Oh God, my friends are here. Hey, where you at? Where you at? Yeah, hey, no. Come back here, you little rascal. Okay, here you go. No. Here. Okay, stupid. What the? Sup? Hi. Hi. God, Bert. I can't. I don't want to judge people, but what the hell was she wearing? I mean, I could deal with that, but like, kind of weird though. Oh God, bro. Okay, I'm up the chocolate tree buster. Can you get up here? I have no clue what to do. Wow, wait. Can't believe it's supposed to snow. Oh yeah, I forgot. We live in one of the places that's supposed to be snowing, but I don't know if it's. I don't know if it's gonna be actually snowing. Because down here in Louisiana, it's dead. We here in a place that doesn't snow much. It also takes yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, animal lover. It's cold. I like that. I like that. Cold. It's epic. Cold is epic. I'm not gonna lie, the cold is actually epic. Down here in Louisiana, we have like hell. It's just like Florida. But we just get snowed a little bit. How exactly? Always. Always feels like hell. God. What? Dude. What? Why can I not say hell, bro? Dang it. That's MIDI. God. I'm gonna go play some piano, Buster. No, let's... wait. Use a track. Okay, good. Piano. Okay, let's do smoothing things. Yeah, that sucked. I think I should. Okay, now we're done with that. And she still hasn't. That's I think that's pretty much it. Because I have no, like, I'm probably gonna do like the rest in another video. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I don't even know how you got all the way to the end, but I guess, thank you. Also, happy Valentine's Day, even though you don't have a Valentine's Day. You're on the same page as me, please don't